look at this thing in front of us.
Why is there a trash bag in the road?
We'll have to maneuver around it.
Oh, goodness.
Look at that Corvette maneuverability.
It is maneuverable. I don't think this car has smart pack. It's a little old.
That's in 1981, it didn't. You had to be smart. You had to park it.
Look who's got Smart Pack.
Smart Pack?
Okay, everybody. Hi, I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera is always Jake. And this, to my immediate right, is a 1981 two-tone Corvette. So, in 1981, Raiders of the Lost Ark came to the theater, Escape from New York came to the theater, and everybody was wearing half shirts and two-tone cars were the thing of the day. And this is one of them. This is, we believe, a three-owner car, 45,000 original miles on it, T-tops. It even has a T-top holder that affixes to the back. It is obviously silver and blue with beautiful blue leather interior and a ton of options.
I have pictures of the T-top holder with the T-tops mounted to the back, so I'll show one
perfect.
Right next to your face right here. Over there.
Right there?
Yeah, right there.
Whoa, look at it. Look at it. Gas tank, nice. Look at this too, Jake. Rear window defogger in 81.
That's awesome.
This is one of the first cars to roll out of the Bowling Green, Kentucky plant. It used to be built here in St. Louis, but they moved down there in 81, June 1st.
Look at that interior.
It is really a nice interior with
Very
a
nice.
lot of power options. It even has power seats. It's got the 5.7 liter V8, only about 190 horsepower, but in 1991, that was it, man. That was the king. Look how beautiful it is. I love this. I can't wait to drive it. Are you ready?
I'm ready, but I just want to take a moment to say 90% of you aren't subscribed.
Oh, yes. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe. It's above his head.
It's
like
above
and
here.
subscribe. You get notified when we make videos, and also there's our phone number.
Oh, you see it right there?
If you want to call us about this nice Corvette.
Oh, man, and any of our cars, really, but this is a great one.
Yes.
Can't wait to drive it.
Now let's drive it.
Let's do it.
Oh, let's do our power windows.
Oh yeah, ready?
Oh, they're in the
They're
middle.
down here.
That's the, oh my, look how fast
Oh, here,
that was.
wait, let's do it again. It's Corvette.
So they're down here?
They are down here.
So I was pressing the power lock button, which
Those
is
are
over
the
here on
power
door.
locks. You see all these beautiful gauges?
Get
Am
your,
I
mic,
too high?
get your mic out of your beard.
Can't help it, everything shows up in my
Let me put
beard.
my seatbelt on. Don't go anywhere yet. Safety first, kids.
Safety first.
Always put your seatbelt on. Yeah, we have a JVC head unit here.
We do.
It's aftermarket, obviously.
Clearly.
But we have the stock radio back here, as well as the top rack that you mentioned that goes on
Love
the back.
it.
So if you want to put that top rack on and take the T-tops off, or if you want to make the radio back to stock, you have that option. But right now we have the T-tops on the car. It's a little cold outside.
It's a little chilly today.
It's a little chilly, so we wanted to be warm in here. We got the heat going, and it's heating. I am feeling the heat. Our
He's
controls
feeling
for
the heat.
the AC are down here, as well as that head unit, like I said. And you got all these gauges in the middle, because it's a race car.
Gauges. Well, look, and it's all functioning.
It is all functioning. We have good oil pressure, good voltage, fuel, and it's not warmed up yet because we just started it. We don't start these cars before we go.
No, we don't.
We like to show you the cars starting cold so that you know that they can cold start. We purposely don't start them ahead of time.
Exactly.
And today is a very cold start because it's about 30 degrees.
Yeah, it feels, man, it's cold. But it's beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
Like
Beautiful
this car.
outside.
Like this two-tone
Beautiful
beauty.
steering wheel. Does it tilt?
It does tilt. We have a tilter.
Oh, a tilt wheel. Does it horn?
Oh, it does.
There you
Oh.
go. It does horn.
Sounds like a Ferrari or Lamborghini of that same year.
Kind of does.
Oh.
And then the only two gauges we have on the dash are the TAC and the Speedo over there.
But it says Corvette in the middle of each. Isn't that nice?
Oh, it does say Corvette, and it's got the little Corvette logo in the center of the gauge.
And I will tell you, it's very, very, very springy. It's very new.
Drives good.
Feels great. This
Suspension
is not
does feel good.
it's not a car that's been beaten up.
No, I mean, what, 45,000 miles? Is that what you said?
45,550.
It hasn't been driven long enough to have been beaten up.
Look at that dashboard. I mean,
Yeah.
it's so nice.
No
They
cracks or
rarely are
anything
like
in this
that.
dash. Nothing on the console here is cracked. Everything's in working condition, and it looks new.
does.
Like nothing's chipping. Even the shifter, the chrome on the shifter is like brand new. All the buttons and everything work. No lights anywhere either. No warning lights.
No?
It's in. Oh, I feel the heat now. My legs are starting to get hot.
Feel free to adjust it as you wish.
It's fine. I like it warm. I'll
And
turn it
there's
down
a glove box, which is bigger than average.
There is a glove box.
Whoa.
And oh, you got.
I bet you could fit tapes in there.
I bet you put tapes there. You got holders for all your tapes in here, in your glove box.
Uh-oh, look at this thing in front of us.
Why is there a trash bag in the road?
We'll have to maneuver around it.
Oh, goodness.
Look at that Corvette maneuverability.
It is maneuverable.
It's fun.
It is fun.
This is a cool little car. I like it.
I like it.
It's got the T-tops, and it's got two-tone.
And the radio does work. I used it earlier.
Yeah, so, but we're not playing it for this.
Copyright issues.
Copyright issues.
Those are a thing, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, people...
This thing is nice. Oh, and you got a cigarette lighter down here.
Don't
in
smoke,
case you want to
kids.
take up smoking.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Don't smoke, kids. It's bad for you.
Yep,
But just in case.
just in case.
I wonder what this switch does in the middle. I don't know.
No, that one, it's to control those,
Oh,
that mirror.
it's to the left and right for the electric mirror, which is this button right here. And they do work. I can see it moving around. That is crazy.
It's weird, isn't it?
You have like electric power. The seats are powered too. Did you mention that?
I could not get over the seats being powered.
Everything
this has so
in
much
here's power. There's the defroster
Gotta love it.
right there. You got power windows, power mirrors, power seats, rear window defogger, radio, T-tops. What else do you want?
I like it. It's luxury for 1981.
It's sporty too. It's
Oh,
luxury.
it's
It's a
sporty.
perfect mix of luxury and sport.
Yes.
Power everything, nice heat, nice air conditioning we also have.
Oh.
I don't know if we mentioned that.
We should have air conditioning.
But you also got the sportiness of a Corvette and the
Oh.
handling.
Look
Plus,
what
I like
happens
the way
there.
these late 80s ones look.
Yeah.
Time for a bean test?
Oh, it's beans. It's frijoles so plante. Three-speed automatic. Cruising through the gears.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very, very nice.
35 miles an hour.
Yeah, that was 35.
Sure it was.
No higher.
Never. Wow. This really drives nice, actually. It's not a, it doesn't beat you up. It's comfortable. It's so clean in here.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. And look where we're at.
Oh, I see where we're at.
Good old-fashioned flyby spot.
Good old-fashioned flyby. We'll make it quick because it's cold and we don't want Jake to turn into a popsicle. She has frijoles.
She does have frijoles.
And it's a really nice driving car, honestly. It's in very good shape. You should absolutely drive it home.
Let's go.
Let's do it.